Let's make the Kraken Barrel from Kraken Rum. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make the Kraken Barrel from Kraken Rum. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. During college and after college, I spent a lot of time drinking in dive bars. And when I'm drinking in dive bars, I like to drink simple drinks. And so there's a really soft place in my heart for these sorts of things, like the Kraken Barrel. This is one of those simple drinks. Root beer and rum. If you're going to make the Kraken Barrel from Kraken Rum, you really should be using the Kraken Black Spiced Rum. If you want to use another rum in your root beer, feel free to do so, but then it's not going to be the Kraken Barrel. This recipe is based on parts. It's going to be 1 part rum to 2 parts of root beer. I've got an 8-ounce glass, or about that, so what I'm going to do is put in 2 ounces of rum and 4 ounces of root beer. Hopefully. I'm going to start with the rum. 2 ounces of the Kraken Black Spiced Rum is 60 milliliters. Then 4 ounces of the root beer of your choice. 4 ounces is 120 milliliters. And I'm going to measure it. Normally when I'm sitting back on my deck, I don't measure. Now I'm going to add some ice. And I may put the ice in first if I'm doing it for myself at home. Add a straw and garnish. The official garnish are charred marshmallows, which are great if you're around a campfire. But if you're sitting at home during a heat wave, maybe not so great, but let's do it anyway. And there are probably better ways to do this. I think that's enough char. And there you have it, the Kraken Barrel from Kraken Rum. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, what is your favorite simple drink? Leave it in the comments down below, I'd love to know. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you'd like. There are links down below, feel free to follow those and check any of them out, including social media links. If you want a t-shirt, you can have one. Through those social media links, make sure you contact me and we'll make sure you get one. Finally, you've made it this far, you like the Kraken, you like root beer, you like simple drinks, you like fire, like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out the next recipe. Until next time, cheers.